So, doing a modification on my dome lights. If you can see them, there's the big square LED cobs. I've also added lights down here. And a cutoff switch. I'll attach some other videos to show y'all how I done it. Except I didn't get any kind of video for when I added these. But what I did is there's a wire in that front passenger kick panel. Took it off. We cut the wire, and that's how we added in the cutoff switch. I'll have to look and research which wire it was. I think it was black with pink or black with blue or something like that, or purple stripe. And when we ran the wires, I just used my strippers that strips the wire, and I pulled on each place and wrapped the wire for the hot side and grounded out the ground. Pretty simple, but kind of apart right now. I've got one more dome light to fix right there toward the back. I don't have a third row, but I've got cobs up there too. What I done on the back, the very back, and this cob, or these, is I took the cobs, took the round long bulbs out, flattened the thing that held them, and put wire connectors and soldered the wire connectors on the blade connectors and slid them on the connections. More to come. Everything loose. I got the reflectors that hold the bulbs out. They're right here. I got to trim down those areas that are raised, because that's where the bulb is going to mount. See right here? I'll trim that down, and then there's two little bumps there. And then I'll reinsert them into here. I got this out. We're going to eliminate this. So that's came off of here. You just get in here, and you can, don't matter if you break these, try not to maybe if you don't want to, but if you do, it's not the end of the world, because we're not using this anymore. I'm going to eliminate it. Okay, now you can see I reinserted the reflector where I'd cut the stuff off on both of them now. And I have it fixed. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just 3M tape on the back. I've just affixed it to where the socket used to screw into. And what I've done is I fed the wires in. That switch does this light, and this switch does this light. And the bulbs come with different fittings. This one I took off. I had a wire that comes out each end, and I just pulled them out. They're bent over each side, so I pulled it out, and I'll flip it over here, and I'll plug this in into the light. I'm going to wire this into the switch. The grounds will go together, all three of them. And then that side will go to this switch, and vice versa for the other one.